We are back with another video. So we are doing Select Modern Product NBA. So we're doing the hanger box. It has I guess 4 hanger box exclusives inside, right?
Those are the Shimmer Prism.
Okay, so it's 20 cards, right? And they just kind of come in. All right, so let's do this. Let's open this up. Let's get to it.
Yeah, you get usually like your vet base cards in the front.
Yeah, then okay, gotcha.
The shimmers are usually in the middle.
Awesome.
Towards the back.
All right, so hit that like, hit that subscribe. Check out our library. We have a ton of videos from. Now we're diving into modern products, so it's from modern all the way back to back in the day, and all sorts of cool stuff. So let's see what we get.
We started in the past, and now we're
diving into the future.
All right. Topping in the front, like Obi. What kind of season he's gonna have?
hopefully a really good one, man.
Keep that Junkwax Nation growing, folks.
Yes, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let us know what you guys think of this product. I think it's pretty awesome looking, obviously.
You could bag the I'm gonna tag her.
Bag and tag this guy.
So bag and tag? Oh.
Yeah, bag and tag him. It's Nick, right?
You got the refractor for Obi, right?
Yeah.
If you haven't seen that video, go check it out.
Yes, check out our library.
Donovan Mitchell.
Oh, Chris
Paul
Paul.
Side.
Nice.
Yeah, you could bag and tag him.
Chris Paul.
I like CP3.
Jalen Smith.
Rudy Gobert.
Kevin Love. Nice. Oh, here we go.
John
Wall.
Shimmer. Jaden Dennis. Only if it was Anthony Edwards. Pascal, another one. Alright, so that's the Shimmers.
Oh, Jimmy Butler.
Numbers. Oh, that's it. Bag and tag him.
Okay.
Aleski. I can't pronounce that.
Yeah.
Let me see.
All right, so here you go. Let's go for the next one. So hit that like, hit that subscribe. Definitely check out our other videos. We have a lot of videos. Would really appreciate it. The best way to support the channel is to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We thank you for that because it would be highly appreciated. So let's go. Let's see what we got here.
Come on, LaMelo. Marcus Aldridge. Yeah, he's back into the league. After a short retirement.
Rookie. Oh, LeBron James.
Hey,
Bag and tag.
Yeah, bag and tag him. And the rookie.
So off.
Yeah.
So off.
Theo. It's amazing that this modern product is the
Hornet.
the quality control is so like off.
Yeah, see Najee rookie.
Oh, nice. Oh, Russell Westbrook.
Now a Laker. Oh, what's that?
He's a Laker now, right?
Nice.
Desmond Bain. Oh yeah, bag and tag him.
Desmond.
Nice. Wow. Awesome. So again, thank you for watching. Here are some of the hits that we got. Pretty cool. These cards are just amazing looking. And there goes LeBron James. So hit that like, hit that subscribe, and we will catch you at the next one.